Hey guys, I am Stavan and welcome back to my channel once again. So you must have seen the thumbnail. So it's a very interesting topic. It's regarding the wobbling in the motorcycle. We can say wobbling or a head shaking. Today's topic will address the wobbling issues in the Interceptor and GT 650 twins. But it applies to other motorcycles also, irrespective of any brand. So first question is, what is wobble? So generally what happens, as the moment you leave your handlebar, right? You leave your hands from the handlebar, and then after your motorcycle head or the front part that will start shaking. So this is the phenomena which is called as a wobble or a head shake, and this is very common issue in a Royal Enfield 650 twins, specifically Interceptor and GT. So I have observed few kind of patterns in the wobbling also. So some bikes might be having a low speed wobble, some bikes might be having a wobble on deceleration, means whenever you are reducing your speed from a particular 100 or 110 kmph, and then after whenever you are gradually coming down to 80 or 85, and then your motorcycle will start wobbling. And the third one is the high speed wobble. So it is also known as a tank scraper. As usual, I have divided this video into a two part. The part number 1 will be the DIY, and the second part will be the help of assisted workshop. So DIY are those things which you can do without the help of anyone, and in few things you will require a technical assistance from the workshop or the FNGs, means friendly nearby garages. In my case, I have tried all the things, and luckily the last point that worked for me. So don't forget to watch the entire video, and it may be helpful to you. If you like the content, then don't forget to like, share or subscribe, and I hope this video will be helpful to you.